In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a green screen in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app, create a new project, and add your main video or image that you want to use as a background. Now at the bottom, you're going to find an option, navigate to the option effects. Click on the option video effects. Now search for blur. After blur effect appears, click on it. You can again click on it to increase or decrease the blurriness. And once you are done, now you'll need to navigate to the option overlay. Click on the option overlay. Click on add overlay. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video, the green screen video that you want to add in your video. Now select the green screen video and search for remove background. Click on that option. You can reposition, resize or extend the overlay as needed to make everything look perfect. Now click on the option Chroma Key. Now place this color picker in the green screen, and just with that, the green screen will be removed. Now you can use these options given over here. You can play a video and check. So this way you can remove green screen on CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.